Healed my mailbox. I'm no detective, but I got a feeling, wow, the mailbox is still good. Now, where's my post? All right. Should I call Columbo? I bet you this guy, I hope he was wearing a Depends diaper. Wow. Check it out. He went down to the neighbors across, and it looks like he drove back out. I used to be a detective in my other life. He drove back out the other driveway. All right, can anybody help me out here? I wonder if it would be legal. Does anybody know, would it be legal if I mounted this box to this road sign? I could just mount this right to the road sign. All right, I'm gonna take a survey here. How many people think the guy's first name was Al, last name Kaholic, or was it first name Cindy, last name Texter? Cindy Texter or alcoholic? And was there a Depends diaper involved? What we have here is a failure to communicate. People can't keep their car on the road. So this is the way they want it. This is the way they'll get it. Oh. Problem solved. All right, who says it can't be fixed? Red green style. There you go. Come snow or sleet or snow, we'll get your mail. We'll get your pumpkin seeds, giant pumpkin seeds at Worldwide Giant Growers. We'll get them to you. Nothing's gonna stop the mail service. There you go. All right, now take down this post. Patent pending, the Bubba airmail. Here's an airmail system. Box has two functions. Airmail, or we can bring her down for roadside delivery. There you go. Bubba be back in business, baby. Bubba be back in business. Got the backup mailbox out of the shed. When you live on a curve, it's what you gotta do. Okay, there we go. Here's Clementine. She is 8.5 inches thick on the top. That's what I was guessing, about 9. There she is. There's our finish line for Clementine. We strapped her to the tree, pulled her out. She wasn't going to make it till October, so we're getting the seeds out. But she did make it to the way off by the hair of her chinny chin chin. You grow, girl. You grow.